everybody, I'm Melissa Kraft and I'm here to give you a tour of my professional ePortfolio for MIT 885. This is my welcome page. You can see a picture of me and my family and a little brief welcome. Also, if you click on the candidate info tab, it gives you some more personal information about me, my intro video for this course from before. Down here starts the exploration stage of my transference reflection, and then also my goals, whether professional or personal, and where I see myself in the coming years. Under leadership philosophy, this page talks about my technology philosophy. Sorry, I said that wrong. My technology philosophy. So you can read about that. My leadership philosophy is on the next tab. Here it is. And lastly, under the candidate info tab is my resume. And it's up to date, so you can check that out. Under activity evidence, the first drop down is my professional development plan. I focused it a lot around integrating one-to-one Chromebooks into our high school, which our school is currently doing, and the in-service that would be necessary to achieve that. My activity 1 evidence, I did a live training on Flipgrid in my animal science class. And I used a Powtoon video for that presentation. And then my article summary was about if one-to-one actually had value. For my activity 2 evidence, I worked with my freshmen on how to effectively do a Google search. And with that, I made a presentation. And my journal summary for this was using communication devices with individuals that have Angelman syndrome. Activity evidence 3, I did a training for some teaching interns about how to prep for virtual FFA contests. And I used a Google Slides for that. And then my article summary was about using virtual reality in welding training. My extra resource page has 9 online free resources that you can come and check out. And then I have my reviews from my peers and faculty eventually, and I'll put my reflection on later. So that is my site and my tour. Thank you.